In life, we often stay honest, work hard, and hold firmly to our values. Yet sometimes, just one moment of greed, one fleeting thought, can change everything. Have you ever considered that a single decision could open the door to success or close it forever? Today's story is one you should listen to carefully because every moment in it teaches a life lesson. If we don't control our thoughts, even the most honest person can make the wrong choice. Many years ago, a young man named Liam lived in a quiet village. His life was full of struggle and sadness. Each day, he searched for work, earned a little money, returned home, cooked a simple meal, and went to sleep. One day, after walking all day without finding a job, Liam was heading home with a heavy heart. Suddenly, a voice called from behind, "Can anyone help me carry these?" Liam turned and saw an elderly traveler with 3 large, heavy bags. "I can help," Liam said. The traveler explained, "I need to reach the next village. I can carry 2 bags, but the third is too heavy. Can you carry it? I'll give you 3 gold coins." Liam agreed. As soon as he lifted the bag, he felt its weight. "This is really heavy," he said. The traveler calmly replied, "Yes, it's full of bronze coins." Even though it was heavy, Liam placed it on his shoulder and started walking. Along the way, he noticed the traveler watching him closely. Liam thought, "Maybe he fears I'll run away, but I'm honest. I would never betray anyone. I just want to work hard and earn honestly." They reached a riverbank. Liam stepped in immediately, but the traveler stayed behind. "I'm too old to cross with these 2 bags. Can you carry 1 more? I'll pay 3 more gold coins." Liam agreed, but as he reached for the bag, the traveler stopped him. "Promise me you won't run away. This one has silver coins." Liam was annoyed. "Do I look like a thief? I don't cheat for money. Give me the bag." He picked it up and crossed the river. Even silver coins didn't sway him from his values. Later, they arrived at a hill. Liam began climbing slowly while the traveler stayed at the bottom. "Why are you still standing there?" Liam called. "I'm too old to climb with this bag," the traveler replied. "Then give it to me. I'll carry it," Liam offered. The traveler hesitated. "This bag has gold coins. If you run away, I won't be able to catch you." Liam, frustrated, replied, "I told you, I'm honest. I once worked at a small company keeping records. When they asked me to lie, I quit. I won't betray anyone." Finally, the traveler handed over the last bag. "I don't know if you are telling the truth, but take it. I'll follow slowly. Wait for me on the other side of the hill." Liam began walking, leaving the traveler behind. But a tempting thought crept into his mind. "If I run away with these 3 bags, the traveler can't catch me. I'll be rich forever. He's old and won't need this money. I'm young. I could live in luxury, marry a beautiful woman, and never struggle again." Tempted, Liam started running with all 3 bags. Breathless, he reached home, opened the bags, and was shocked there was no gold, no silver, only small stones. Confused, he found a note inside. "I am the ruler of this land. I have no heir and am growing old. I have been searching for an honest person to adopt as my successor. If you had not run away, you would have been that person." Liam's heart sank. He had been honest his entire life, never intending to cheat anyone. Yet one small greedy thought had changed everything. If he had controlled his mind for just one more moment, he could have become the heir to the throne. But a single moment of weakness cost him the greatest opportunity of his life. This story teaches us how powerful our thoughts are. Liam was honest, yet one fleeting thought led him against his values. Thoughts like, "If I run away, no one can stop me," can grow into, "I'll get rich. I'll live a great life. I'll marry well." Even the strongest person can be misled by such temptation. There's a saying, "Even our worst enemy cannot harm us as much as our own negative thoughts." Every action begins with a thought. Thought becomes words. Words become actions. Actions become habits, and habits shape our future. If we want to protect ourselves from negative outcomes, we must guard our thoughts. Honest and positive thinking guides us toward a better, more beautiful life. Thoughts are like seeds. What we plant today will grow into our future. Let's make sure we plant seeds filled with peace, positivity, and honesty. This story is also a powerful reminder of personal growth, inspiration, and the true meaning of integrity. One moment of greed may feel small, but it can determine the course of our lives. Control your mind, protect your values, and remember that every thought is a building block for success. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs it. Be patient, be thankful, and keep moving forward in life.